How to turn on FaceTime on iPhone. To FaceTime on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the end. Then, tap on Apps. Here, you will be able to manage all the default applications on your iPhone. Now, go to the FaceTime application from here. Then, toggle on the FaceTime option from here. By enabling this feature, people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime, using your phone number or email address. Once you do it, you can see the suggested contacts that can be reached out to on FaceTime. You can also share your FaceTime ID with your friends and family. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on FaceTime on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.